Friends, my name is Dr. Chetan Darne. I am practicing at Yavatmal, Maharashtra. Friends, I am one of the participants of Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja Singh Sir's Accounting and Finance workshop. Friends, this workshop was an eye-opener for me because it showed how important is tax planning in wealth creation and wealth management. Dr. Bhavdeep Sir is absolutely clinical and methodological in whatever the content he is delivering to us. He goes in detail about all the aspects of finances and he takes care of every minute detail that accounting can have. Friends, Dr. Bhavdeep sir is doing absolutely great work for our field. I give my best wishes to him, and this session was an absolute bonus session for me. It was bonus because it gave me much more than what I expected. Best wishes to you and best wishes to Bhavdeep Ahuja Singh sir. All the best. Thank you.